Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to sign out of Pokémon Go. To sign out of Pokémon Go, you need to follow these steps. So here, first of all, you want to open the Pokémon Go app on your device. So once you're logged into your account, what next you want to do is here on this page, you simply want to go ahead and tap on the ball icon to open a main menu page. So once this opens up, what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and press onto the ball icon. Here it is. You want to press on it. And when you locate the ball icon, you simply want to go ahead and tap on the settings icon. And from the bottom, you could find these logout options. Now, like mine, if you cannot find these options, as this is the first time I've created my account, and I need to get to a certain level. So what you need is you simply want to exit, and then you want to long press the Pokemon Go app. Click on the app info icon, come to storage and cache. Make sure to click on clear storage. Now it's going to take a while, but just be patient enough. And after you've actually done this, you want to exit out of this page, open up your Pokemon Go, and this is going to be fresh. So this is how you'll be able to delete or log out of Pokemon Go account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.